All right, so yeah, welcome back again to our YouTube channel. Then, before we continue, I want to congratulate all those that participated in the dogs airdrop. All right, so here I want to show you how you can sell your airdrop and withdraw to your local bank account successfully without any problem. All right, so kindly watch the video closely, and if you are here for for the first time on our channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and also subscribe to the channel. Now, I want to use Bybit for instance. You can also use the same method on Bitget, on Telegram wallets, on Binance, and the likes. Okay. Now, click on can see spot here. Click on spot. Now you're going to see dogs trading live here on our exchange here. Okay. So once you've withdrawn your dogs to your exchange, the balance is going to show here. The amount of dogs you have is going to show here. Okay. Then you're going to click on sell. Alright, this one is on buy. So click on sell. Once you click on sell, the amount you have here is going to display, but I have zero dollars here for now because I use my Telegram wallet. For example, you have 10,000, 20,000 dollars or any amount you have you want to sell, then you can just come here, use this, can see limit here, then the amount of dollars you want to sell and the likes. Okay. So what the limit implies is that you set the price you want to sell. For example, it's trading at 0.001 now. So you can say you want to sell it at 0.0012. Okay, so it means you have to wait until the price increase before you sell. And if the price doesn't increase, you can cancel the transaction at any point. But let's use the current market price, for example. So if you want to use the current market price, now click on this limit here. You're going to see market, click on market. So it means you are not going to enter any price again. Now enter the quantity of dogs you want to sell. If it's 10,000 dogs you want to sell, click on 10,000. Okay. So for easy access, you can just drag this chain to the amount you want to sell. This is 30% of what you have, 50% of what you have. If it's everything, just drag it to 100%. Okay. So you now click on sell. Once you click on sell, your money is going to enter into your unified trading account. Now let's go back. So after you sold it or sold it rather, now click on assets. On assets, the first thing you're going to do here is to click on transfer. Okay. Once you click on transfer, you can see the one you sell is going to be on your unified trading account. So you need to put it on your funding account. Okay. So just click on this place to change from unified to funding instead of funding to unified. You can see it has changed now. After you've done that, then enter the amount of USDT you want to convert. Put if it's everything you want to sell, then put on maximum. After that, then you click on confirm. So it means it is already in your funding account, then you can go ahead to withdraw. Now, if you want to withdraw, there are two easy methods you can use to withdraw, and both of them are on your P2P. So just go back to the home, click on the search bar here, search for P2P, P2P. Okay, you can see it displaying there. So just click on it. Now here you have to be very careful. Okay, so once you are here, you can see options here: buy, sell. All right. So before then, you can also create your own ads. You can just click on this top corner here. Now click on my ads. So if you click on post ad, you're going to see some requirements like you need to complete 5 transactions, 90% order in the last 30 days, and the likes. Okay, then you can go ahead and post your order. But if you're a beginner and you might not find it easy here, so I'll advise you to go to the current market and buy on P2P. So once you're here on P2P, click on sell. Okay. Once you click on sell, now enter the currency of your country. I'm using Naira for example. So you can use your CDs, your rupee and the likes. Then you can also click here on filter to see the people that are available to sell. Okay. And show only eligible ads. Click on confirm. So these are the people that are available to sell at the moment, and you can see the prices they want to sell. So this person is online, this person is online, this person is not online because he left 2 minutes ago. So you can choose any of the people you want to sell to. Okay. So then, but this person is selling from, is buying 4 million and above. So just click on amount and enter the amount you want to sell. Okay, if you want to sell 50,000 naira, for example, confirm. Then you're going to see people that are buying from 50,000 naira and above. So you can see one of them here. This person has 100% order completion. So it's good you can trade with the person. Now enter the amount you want to sell, 50,000 naira. Okay, the value associated. Just that is 50 USDT. I want to sell. Okay, so you get 70 79,000 naira. Now you're going to click on bank transfer. All right. So, but before then, you're going to enter your bank account. Click on bank transfer. Now, the banks you enter on your P2P registration is going to display. So, and the person is going to send the money to your account, and you're going to release the USDT to the person. You can also give some instruction here before you carry out the transaction with anybody. So, this is simply how to withdraw and claim your USDT. I hope you find the video useful. If you do, subscribe to the channel and also turn on our notifications to get more updates. Thank you for watching.